Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford Maverick XLT. Coming in this carbonized gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2-liter EcoBoost engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the 4K tow package. Taking a look at the back here, we do have our nice tow hitch right there. Backup camera, of course. And moving to the sides here, we do have that nice license plate bracket and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the interior, we can see this vehicle comfortably seats up to 5 pretty nicely. We do have this light gray and dark gray cloth interior with some nice orange stitching. You do have a fair bit of door space with this nice light gray paneling, some orange accents on the door, of course. And if you don't need that extra person, you can always fold this out for 2 cup holders and some arm space. You do have a 12-volt outlet right there. And of course, if you need a little extra storage, you can always lift up these seats for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see we have that same cloth interior we saw in the back there with the orange accents. Plenty of door space again, orange accents. You have your trailer disconnector, tailgate lights, and your lights right there. You also have that same whitish gray accents on the dash as we saw on the door as well. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 23 kilometers. We do have this nice leather wrapped steering wheel. You have your toggle free main menu there, phone, voice, media, your volume, and your cruise controls right there. And looking at your main screen, you can go through information such as display, vehicle settings, vehicle my key, trip 1, trip 2, my view, which has kilometers per hour, digital speedometer, fuel economy, and so on and so forth, radio, phone, settings, and so on and so forth. And looking here, you do have your gear shift, parking brake, 2 cup holders, storage right there, storage there as well. You have your drive modes, which your drive modes are, normal, tow and haul, slippery, eco, and sport. You also have your traction control, auto stop, auto start. You have more storage right here with some nice orange accents, USB and USB-C, 12-volt outlet right there. You do have some nice storage in the center console here as well. Orange accents on the fan. You have your hazards right there, volume, tune, main screen here, storage there as well, and there, and storage in the glove compartment. Looking at your screen, you have radio and what phone's connected, your audio, which is Sirius XM capable, phone, any apps you may have downloaded, settings such as Bluetooth, phone, FORDPASS, your Wi-Fi, vehicle, and so on and so forth. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is RA49005, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.